welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And I hope everyone is staying at home and are safe right now. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take self-portrait at home by all yourself. I have two gadgets. One is the DSLR from which I'm shooting right now, and second I have the phone. But we all don't have the DSLR, so today in this video I will be taking all the portraits with my iPhone. During this quarantine time, we got a lot of time with us, so why not to make our Instagram feed game changer? So without any further delay, let's get into video. So I have this cute location at my home, and for the first photo I will be taking this as my background and taking flowers as my prop. So let's do this.